Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how do you reduce colors on a pattern in Photoshop. Okay, so this is a pattern that was hand drawn and colored in, and then I've scanned it in. Okay, so this is lots of colors, even though it looks like technically it's probably only 4 or 5 colors. But in Photoshop when you scan it, you're getting all of those colors, different variations as I zoom in to the screen here. There's lots of different shades, okay? So what we need to do is we want to reduce them. If you are going to screen print this image, because that's just too many colors. So what you can do is go to Image, Mode, and there's something called Index Color. When I click Index Color, I'm going to flatten it if it's not already. All right, I want local adaptive, okay? So it is saying 40 colors. Okay, so 40 would be too high even for screen printing because normally at the most they'll have 12 screens because that's considered a very expensive job. Probably the average is about 8, so 6 to 8 colors. But you want to start off with a higher number because otherwise, if you color reduce like down to immediately like your 12 or 6, um, you're gonna like get really limited very quickly with colors, and sometimes the way it reduces the colors, it doesn't look right. I'm gonna come down here, I want none, and then forest is none, and then hit OK. Alright, so if I go to image, mode, and we go to color table, you're going to see these are the 40 colors. Okay, I could go through and start reducing them here, but I'm going to do it even more. I'm going to go back to image mode. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to RGB. And then I'm going to go back to image mode and I'm going to index color. Okay, now it says exact, go back to local adaptive, and then I'm going to reduce it. Let's go by half. Let's go 20. Okay, and then I'm going to hit OK. And so I literally go back and forth, and I'll do this gradually because I've had it before. Yeah, it won't look right. So RGB, go back, image mode. We're going to go to image mode, and we're going to go to index color, and we're getting closer. And local adaptive, and let's try 12. Hit OK. It's looking pretty good, but I think we can go even further. Image mode, RGB, image mode, index color, and let's go back to adaptive because that's where you can change the number, and let's try 6. See what happens? 6 is not going to do it. How about 8? See, there's something about that right there, and hit OK. Alright, so it's 12, but I think it could go even further. So this is where I'm going to go to image mode. Now I'm going to go to color table. Now there's 12. But do you see all of these yellows could be probably reduced down to the same one? I'm liking this one right here. I'm going to actually copy the hex here. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to go ahead and start replacing each of those. And I'm just pasting that value in there. See how it updates it here? I'm going to hit OK, and that will reduce my colors even further. There we go. Now all of those yellows have been reduced down to the same. I could probably do that with the brown as well. I'm thinking I like this darker brown. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to hit this, hit OK. And now we've got all the yellows are the same, this brown, so really down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I can go even further. Let's take this pink. Let's reduce that down. And then let's hit OK. Alright, see, it did clean that up a bit. Let's go back. RGB. I'm going to go index color. Now we're down to 7. I'm going to go to local adaptive. Oh, wait, let me undo that because I don't want that to be 12. Index color. Alright, I'm going to go with the exact. Okay, so let's go back to the color table. Let's see how we're doing. We're getting closer. Okay, so there were still some of those yellows. I think I like this yellow better. Yeah. I know, it's just a subtle difference. Oh, no, I don't. No, that's too, it's losing some of that brightness. So it's kind of like playing around a little bit, seeing what you like and what you don't like. Okay, that's better. And then I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to switch it back over to image mode, RGB, image mode. Let's go back to index color. Now we're down to 5. So now this has been color reduced to 5 colors, which is great. Now you're going to notice, like as I zoom in, if you have any of these stray things like this, okay, I would want to clean that up. And so now I'm just like, clean that up. I just eyedroppered that color, and I would just go back in and color these up, because you don't want that little bit of color showing up on that screen for that gray, okay, because it may just blow off because they're so tiny, but to be on the safe side, I'm just going to clean that up. All right, and then I would save my file. So that is how you color reduce something for a pattern for screen printing in Photoshop.